D.C. amid a teen crime surge that has just rocked families across the district. D.C.'s justice system is getting a new leader. Just 3 hours ago, D.C. Superior Court introduced its newest chief judge, and he took the rare step of speaking with journalists about the many challenges the courts are facing right now.
Our chief investigative reporter, Flack, has done some extensive reporting on the D.C. justice system. And Flack, we know this is huge. The district's judges have faced a ton of criticism for letting offenders off easy.
Yeah, Les, you know they have. And at times the courts have seemingly been at odds with the U.S. Attorney's Office over who is to blame for rising crime. Now, just a few hours ago, D.C.'s incoming chief judge, Milton Lee Jr., met with reporters after a ribbon-cutting ceremony for a new section of the Superior Courthouse downtown. Lee seemed to sidestep questions about criticism the courts have faced from the U.S. Attorney's Office over alleged light sentences judges have handed down for violent juvenile offenders. But he rejected the idea judges were improperly releasing defendants pre-trial that should be detained. We also asked Lee about our own reporting, which revealed right there the city is falling way behind getting juvenile offenders the mental health services they need, even when ordered to do so by the courts.
One of the things that people just have to recognize is none of this happens in a vacuum. It is the product of partnerships, and we need to commit ourselves to those partnerships. We need to work together. We've got to identify where we've got problem areas, make sure we concentrate on those and move forward so that we really can provide the best service that we can. But we can't do it alone. It is all of us in this together.
Lee will replace outgoing Chief Judge Anita Josie Herring, who became the first female chief judge in D.C. Superior Court history. She told us the juvenile caseload has jumped in D.C. so much she had to assign a third judge to the juvenile court docket. The courts are now seeing anywhere from 500 to 600 juvenile cases a year in D.C. Guys, this comes at a time when D.C. courts still have a number of judicial vacancies, with appointees still waiting to be confirmed by the U.S. Senate. That only makes keeping up with this huge caseload all the more difficult. Guys?
Yeah, 500 to 600 cases involving children a
year?
Year?
Sad, so.
Yeah, that's a lot. Still a lot more work to do as well. Flack, thank you.